These are nachos. They're mine. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Kade and this is Kade Cooks. Today I want to share with you a super delicious and very, very easy recipe. So let's get right into that. This nacho bodybuilding recipe will blow your mind. So Quest, they recently came out with a new chip flavor and it is so good. It's really like delicious by itself. But I was thinking, how can I make this even better? So today I'm sharing with you Quest style nachos. You're gonna love it. For this recipe, today you're gonna need a cast iron skillet, 1 bag of Quest Nutrition's new loaded taco chips, 1 serving of Morningstar's crumbled grillers, or grillers crumbles. 1 serving of this, 1 serving or 1 ounce of this light shredded cheese I got from Trader Joe's. And finally, some fat-free cheddar cheese. Like I said before, this recipe only has a few ingredients and it is so good. But let us not forget the lettuce. Let me go get that now. So awkward moment, I forgot to buy lettuce. So if you want to make this recipe at home, I recommend you get some lettuce to put on there after you take this out of the oven to add that extra fresh crunch. But that's totally up to you. So let's get into the directions of this recipe. You're going to start this recipe by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. Take out your cast iron and lay your protein chips across the bottom. If you want to make it a real fiesta, add a bag of Quest's tortilla style chili lime chips too. This is the fat-free cheddar and the 3 cheese blend. So at this time, I'm going to add half of my cheese. Weigh out your fake ground meat and go ahead and pour it on top. This part is totally optional, but I like to add lime to it. I don't have any fresh lime at this time, but if you have fresh lime, I totally recommend that. And now I'm gonna throw this in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until the cheese on the top is melted and crispy. So I just got these bad boys out of the oven. Let's see if they taste as good as they look. Ooh, wait, let's get a really good chip. Ooh. I'm so excited about this huge plate of nachos. Because of the fact that I added the additional bag of Quest chips, my total amount ended up being over 79 grams of protein. Isn't that wild? I am so excited for this dinner. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below if you ever tried Quest chips before, because I haven't tried all of the different flavors, but the chili lime and taco ones are really delicious. Once again, this is Kade Cooks and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Peace.